Hello guys, so today I'm going to be folding this origami dragon. So here it is. This is called a proud dragon, I believe. It's a little bit different from the original model, but for some reason I made it this way. So I'll be showing you how to make it this way. Okay. It's just like a simplified version of it. Okay. So this is the dragon in my very first video. So yeah, and also please check out my other video as well. And please consider subscribing. Okay, please. So first you need a square sheet of paper like this, and you're gonna start out with a bird base. Okay, so first you wanna fold it in half like so, and then you wanna fold it in half again like this, and then you wanna open up this pocket right here. Then fold that down, okay? And then you want to flip it over to the other side and do the same thing right here, okay? So you want to open up this pocket right there and then fold that down like so, okay? Hello guys, so now you see where the open side is right here. You want to bring these two edges right here to the center line here, okay? Like so, and the other side as well. And now you see this triangle right here. You want to fold it right up to this edge on top right here, okay? So fold right where that edge is. Make a good crease. Then unfold all those steps. And now you want to take that first layer right here and you want to fold it right up to this top crease line right here, okay? And now you want to fold the side crease line, okay? Same thing here. Bringing this whole edge, you see this edge, to the center line, okay? And then you want to do the same thing on this side as well. So you see this crease line that we just folded right here. You want to fold that crease line, bringing this whole edge right here to the center line. Now the same thing on the other side, so you want to flip it over, and then you want to take that top layer right here and fold that top crease line right here, okay? And then now you want to fold the side crease line that we just folded before. Same thing on the bottom side as well. Bringing this whole edge to the center, okay? And same thing on the other side as well. So fold this crease line right here and bring this edge to the center. Okay, kind of line that up. And now you see where these triangle pieces, and there's a little triangle in the middle. You're gonna fold down on this triangle, okay? The middle triangle. There's a leg piece right here. Okay, so you kind of want to pull on it a little bit and kind of unfold that triangle. Okay, until it flattens like this. There's a triangle right here. And now you want to fold this thing in half. So fold that center crease line right here. Okay, then fold down on the side triangle. Okay. Okay. And now I'm going to fold the legs right here. Okay. So you will see the back edge. You see this edge right here. You see kind of an outline. It's not folded, but you will see kind of the outline of the back edge right here that's peeking through. So you want to zigzag fold right there, okay? And same thing on the other side as well. So from the middle, you see this edge and that crease line, and of course that outline of the back edge. See that middle point right there? From there all the way to this corner right here, okay? So fold it in. Okay. Then zigzag fold right there. Okay. And same thing on the other side. So fold it in. Okay. Then back out. Okay. And same thing on the other side as well. Right here. And you will see kind of so from that middle point all the way to that corner right there. Okay. So fold it in and back out, like so, and kind of match it up with the other side as well. Okay. Okay, and now you wanna take one side, kind of lift that up to make the head, okay, all the way up to the legs, and then fold down on the head. Like so, and then fold the tip right inside. And then now you want to fold the tail so you want to open it up, and then you want to bring the side edge to the center line, okay? Like that, and all the way up to the wings, and fold it right down like so, and then fold out the tail. So here is the dragon. So yeah, thank you for watching and have a great day.